In today's video, you'll learn how to invite guests into a team's workspace. Inviting guests is an excellent way to collaborate with people outside your organization, such as clients, vendors, or external partners. Let's go through the process step by step so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Teams sign-in page. If you're not already logged in, click the Sign In button on the homepage and enter your email address and password. Make sure your details are entered correctly to avoid any issues accessing your account. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main dashboard. From there, find and select the Community tab. This area displays all the teams and channels you're part of, and it's where collaboration happens and guest access is managed. Inside the Community section, look for the option labeled Invite Member. Clicking this will open a new window where you can begin inviting someone to join. The interface is simple and designed to make the process quick and easy. Next, enter the guest's email address or phone number in the provided field. Double-check the information to ensure it's accurate, since even a small typo could prevent the invitation from being delivered properly. After confirming the details, click the Send button. An invitation will be sent to the guest with instructions on how to join. Once they accept, they'll gain access to your team and be able to collaborate within the shared space. That's all there is to it. You've successfully invited a guest and expanded your team's collaboration beyond your organization. Using guest access is a powerful way to improve communication, share ideas, and work toward common goals securely and efficiently. If you think this video is helpful, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell.